Now, what size block is that? What size block is that?
350.
That's what I thought it was.